Hello guys, today we are going to make one of the easiest way classic tiramisu. We need here 100 gram of mascarpone cheese, 100 gram of crema, 40 gram of sugar, 40 gram of egg yolks. We need here vanilla and espresso and ladyfingers. First we strain the eggs to receive because it's not coming to any smell. Slowly. Now we will add sugar, we will mix it little bit to come a little creamy. After we will put on the hot water to make them bain-marie, to make them creamy with the bain-marie way. We will put water on the pot and we will mix it until they came creamy and all of the sugar they melt together with the egg yolks. Be careful, your temperature is should to be down because not making the eggs. And now when it's coming same this creamy, it's finished. We will bring it down, we will mix it two minutes again. Now we will add 100 gram of crema, of whipping cream, 100 gram of mascarpone cheese, little bit of vanilla. We will mix them together 5 minutes to 10 minutes. We will mix them to coming full creamy. We will mix them all of them together really slowly and perfectly. After we put in this, now we need espresso, or I'm using the Nescafe Gold. We'll put in the hot water, mixing together. After we will put the lady fingers inside and we will put on the plate. Slowly we'll put the lady fingers in the espresso or Nescafe and we will put together. After we will put in that cream we made on them, you should put a lot of the cream because the tiramisu, classic tiramisu, it has a lot of cream. Not with some spoon or anything. You should to make it straight and white them together. Now again, the second layer, the third layer, we will put the lady fingers again on the Nescafe or espresso. We'll put on the crema, and that cream we made, the tiramisu cream, mascarpone cream. Now again we will put the cream again. But be careful, you should put a lot of cream because it should be very creamy and delicious. Again with some spoon or palette, wide it and make it straight. Now after we finished, we will put on them cacao powder, chocolate powder, cacao powder, or espresso powder, anything do you want. You can use a matcha, anything. And now this is the classic amazing tiramisu. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, subscribe, and any comments. Thank you for watching.